Hi, yes. Today topic CTET paper 1 critical perspective of the construct of intelligence. Notes and question answers. Again repeated. Critical perspective of the construct of intelligence. CTET paper 1 notes and question answers. Theory of intelligence. Monofactor theory, two-factor theory, triadic theory, multi-factor theory, group factor theory, multi-intelligence, crystal fluid, SOI model of intelligence. What is intelligence? The ability of acquire the applied knowledge and skill. Intelligence, intelligentia, which means the understand. It is the ability of adjust with the environment, ability to learn and ability to carry out the abstract reason. 5 characteristics of intelligence. Ability to adapt, learn for daily life events and problem solving. The capacity to learn from experience. Creativity and interpersonal skills are included in intelligence. Intelligence involves ability of judgment, comprehension and reasoning. Intelligence involves ability to understand people, objects and symbols like language. These are 5 characters of intelligence. What is IQ? IQ formula: mental age by chronological age into 100. IQ means intelligence quotient. MA means mental age. HA means chronological age. Mental is expressed as the age of which a child is performing intellectually. This is very important topic in CTET. Next one, IQ table. This is also very important. Mere genius 142 and above. Very superior 130 to 139. Superior 120 to 129. Above average 110 to 119. Normal or average 90 to 109. Below average 80 to 89. Dual or borderline 70 to 79. Feeble-minded and moron 50 to 69. Imbecile 25 to 49. Indictors 0 to 24. This IQ table is very important. Next, Edward Bannert is the first intelligent text. He was the first one to introduce the concept of mental age. According to unifactor theory and intelligence, we all have common sense of general factor of intelligence to apply in every task. Notes over question answers. Who developed the first intelligent text? Answer D. Edward Bannert. Next question. Intelligence is? Answer B. A set of capabilities. Third question. Anyone can become angry. That is easy. But to be angry with the right person to right degree and the right time for the right purpose and is the right way, that is not easy. This related to what? Answer D. Emotional development. Fourth one. We will differ in terms of our intelligence, motivation, interest, etc. Principle refers to. Answer D. Individual difference. Last question. Which of the following skills is associated with emotional intelligence? Answer D. Empathizing. Thank you.